Hi, I'm Rachel.
Hi, I'm Eric.
Hey, I'm Damo.
Hi, I'm Katie.
And what are you doing?
We're making school snacks.
I want to make this one.
Okay, so what we have here is, I bought these the other day with the grocery haul. These are the orange and poppy seed cakes, so we want to make those. We found one single random cake mix in the pantry, and I'm not sure where that came from, but or which kid bought it, but we're going to make that one up as well. We've got some chocolate brownie mix, which we haven't used before, home brand one, so we'll give that a try. And we made the vanilla flavoured cake mixes recently and they were really nice, so we're going to do those again. We might even throw in something like some chopped chips or some coconut or something like that, just to add a little bit to the flavour. So I think we'll start with the orange and poppy seed cakes. What's the first thing you do?
Read the box.
Read the box, look at the instructions. This will give you any extra ingredients that you will need and tell you how to make it. So I'm going to leave it in your capable hands.
Yep, I got this.
You got this? Okay, pull everything out of the boxes. Somebody should preheat an oven.
Okay, so you have to preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius, or, well, it has to be fan forced.
Yes, so on fan forced. Rachel's getting the eggs out of the fridge. Okay, so you've turned on the oven, you've got the eggs out, we need some water, you'll need some butter, and then you'll need cake pans. We don't have round cake pans, so we might use the loaf pans for this one. Okay, so you're going to...
Alright, so for step 2, for the mix, you have to place the cake mix in. So you're going to cut this open.
Yep, who's going to pour that in?
You want to pour this in?
Yep. Awesome. Because we're doing 2 cakes, do you want to mix it all together? So do you want to put the second cake mix in and then we'll just double up the recipe?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Okay.
Yep. Katie can pour that in there. There we go. Now, we have to add some eggs. So it's 3 eggs per packet mix. So you're going to put in 6 eggs. And as you can see, we've got some lovely farm eggs here, all different shapes and sizes and colours, hey?
Blue.
That's very sort of green blue, isn't it?
Yep.
Very different. And there's a real little one there. Look how little that one is, and then the really big one.
Okay.
All right, so let's get those in.
Time. Professional.
Whoops.
Wait, I got it. Hold on,
You've got this.
Oh, you cracked the yolk.
It's
Ready?
well, we might try that again.
Yeah.
Let's put that one aside. So this time, give it a harder whack on the side of the cup, so that you get a bigger split in the shell, and then you can get your thumbs in there and pull it apart.
Okay,
Try that.
got that.
Yeah, you can do it.
Okay.
That's it. Now you've got to,
Put your thumbs between.
and now
Yep.
we'll pull it apart.
I just, yep.
Close. Did any shell go in there?
Nope.
No?
Let's try it.
You're good.
Done.
Excellent. Katie, do you want to come around and tip that into the bowl, please?
Yep. Put that in there.
Okay.
Right,
Very good.
You can go next, right?
Okay, let's get some more in.
Nice. Ooh, that. Okay.
My turn.
Damn it, go. Yep. I'll put your thumbs in.
That was a really...
I'll be careful on my next one. Okay. I gotta be careful.
Okay.
Just. Yep.
No shells, right? That's all I ask.
Yep.
I think we're
Okay.
going pretty well.
Okay, so we are doubling up the recipe, and it asks for 2/3 of a cup of water. So if we're doubling it, how much water do we have to put in there?
1 1/3 of a cup.
Excellent. Pour that one in. Pour the other in. Look, you're cooking and doing math at the same time. Win-win. Now, what's the next instruction?
The next thing that we're going to add is 4 tablespoons of soft butter or margarine.
Very good. Okay, Rachel's got that over here. Again, we are doubling up the recipe. So, some more maths questions for you. It says, what, 80 grams on the packet?
Yep.
You're going to double that. That is
160
which is approximately
half a block.
half the block of butter. Yep. Now, I would cut that down into smaller pieces because you're about to put the blender in there, so it would be easier to blend it all if it's in some smaller pieces. Okay. Katie, you going to grab onto that, or are we all having a grab?
Yep,
We're going to have a go. Make sure that's well down into the mixture, so we don't want any kitchen splatter incidences.
I'll hold the bowl. I got this.
There we go. What we're going to do now is prepare the pans. So we've got some baking paper, getting a little bit of butter, and now you're going to start greasing the pan. So you're going to cover all the insides of the pan with some butter, and this will help the batter not to stick to the pan. Once we've got enough butter in there, we might do a lining of baking paper as well, just to make it easy to get out. Okay, so the cakes have gone into the oven. It says to bake for
50 to 55 minutes.
Okay, so that's a fair while. So we'll have time to get some more cakes made.
Yes.
So we might jump in and do the vanilla flavoured cakes. Do you think we should add some choc chips?
Yes. Right here.
Oh, you've already got them out, ready to go. Look at that. Do you know when you store them like this out of the packet and they're just open in the container? We have pantry mice that, aka small children, who like to come and pinch the choc chips out of the pantry. So no hands in the choc chips. So yeah, look, we're going to put some of those in our cake. That will be yummy. So we're just going to wait for these cakes to cool down before we try and take them out of the pan, but that's what the paper's in there for. That will make it much easier to lift them out. So we've just mixed up the Golden Gaytime crumb cake. While the cakes are cooking, we're going to do all the icing mixtures. We'll have them all prepared, ready to go once the cakes are out of the oven and cooled. So in goes the mixture for the orange and poppy seed cake. Mixture for the vanilla. And for the crumb cake. Ooh.
Yum.
That smells good. What type of icing is it? Says here
Coffee
on it.
flavoured.
Toffee flavoured icing. Oh. I don't know whether the crumb cake's going to make it to school lunch boxes. It might be afternoon tea. Who wants a piece of cake for afternoon tea?
Me.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got to add softened butter to all of these, some milk to all of these, and mix them together. Did you draw a smiley face on butter?
Maybe.
Very cute. Okay, we'll pour a little bit of milk in here. Container.
You're kind of wearing it.
Yeah, I'm kind of wearing it. So, we might hold this
Yeah,
this
someone
time.
else did.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's still go.
It's still a bit. Oh goodness. Okay, hang on. We need a little bit of moisture in there, I feel. Look at the bench.
Wasn't me.
Wasn't me either. Oh dear. Yeah, who's cleaning this up?
I got this.
You got this?
Don't.
Excellent.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Okay.
So the mixture is made for the orange poppy seed cake and the vanilla choc chip and for the crumb cake. The other couple of kids have just gone off to play for a while, do other things. So Rachel and Eric are going to help make the double chocolate brownies.
Is she going to be so good?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. So all that's in this is just the brownie mix, some butter and some eggs. So that sounds pretty easy. So we might pop all of that into a bowl and mix it up and get it cooked. Ooh, chocolate.
Chocolate. Yeah, right.
Chocolate. Yum. Now, how much butter?
120 each, so 240.
240?
And the block is 250.
That's a lot of butter.
Yep.
So we're just melting the butter to put into the mixture and then adding the eggs. So we just have to spread the brownie mix out into the pans and get them into the oven. Gosh, that looks so nice.
Yeah.
You can smell the chocolate. It looks like a really nice mixture. This is just the home brand brownie mix. It looks pretty good. So this is the crumb cake. See how easy having the paper in the pan makes it to get the cake back out? And then you can just peel it down. Oh gosh, can you smell that? That smells so good.
Finished cooking. That was really fun. Thanks Mum for letting us cook. Make sure to subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
God bless.